Hi, I'm Doug.
And I'm Kathy.
Join us as we follow the moon. Today we want to take you a tour of the Winter Garden RV Resort. Now this is an Encore park. We're traveling there through our 1,000 Trails membership. And we came over to the area not so much for the park, but for the area. It's got a beautiful downtown, lots of things to do, but we really have had an amazing stay here at the park this time.
There's also some very nice little areas in here, even though we're in the middle of the city. And you do get a little more noise, but at the same time, it's got some really neat little areas that make you feel like you're out away from the city a little bit.
So come along with us and explore.
Thank you.
Now here we are coming from the east on State Route 50, and you'll see this is a busy area. There's lots of shopping. There's a Publix there on the left, lots of eateries, and one thing that's great, right across the street is a major RV dealership, Giant Rec World. So if you do need parts or accessories, they're right there.
I think we passed a Wawa.
Yes. As you enter the park, in the very, very front of the park is one of the 2 swimming pools and the main office. Now this is the smaller pool.
That pool reminds me of the old pools at the old motels.
As most of the offices are right now, the doors are closed, open by appointment for COVID. But right at the entrance, there is a dump station. There is propane. They are not selling propane currently, but they do normally have propane there. There are shuffleboard courts. And the first of 4 bathhouses on the property. Now we've been at this park 5 times, and as you can see, we're parked right there in front of you. It's the first time we've ever been in the front of the park. Get a little bit more street noise, but it was kind of fun being able to watch everybody coming and going too.
You can actually pretend like the street noise is ocean waves if it helps.
It really wasn't that annoying. Now as you come through the park, heading towards the rear of the park, over here on the left is a great playground area. And just behind that,
a beautiful pond. We've seen ducks out on there. They weren't there when you when we went past here.
But they normally are, the red-headed ducks. And directly across the street is the maintenance facility for the park, the pavilion, which is one of their rec centers where they have bingo and different events scheduled, and they are using it now. And the larger of 2 dog runs.
We were parked just down from this run the last time we were here, and Maggie knew exactly where to go. She headed out every time we went out the door. She was headed over there.
Now we're going to make a right and go over to the east side of the park, and coming here on the left are a couple of little tiny homes.
I've always had a thing for them. I used to watch the Tiny House Nation, and I love their tours.
Now the right-hand side of the street here is storage parking. There's 2 areas for storage. This is one of them. And on the left, those are regular full hookup sites.
You can tell this is a well-established park by all of the trees.
And it seems kind of strange in the middle of the city. There's a lot of mature trees. It's real nice. Now this is the second bathhouse. And give you an idea inside. They're older This one has just been closed the last time we were here. They've done new ceiling in it. They've painted. They're clean, but they are definitely older. Now again, we're going towards the rear of the park. There are some permanents that you'll see in here, some small park models, but this is mostly fifth wheels, motorhomes, travel trailers.
And some of them are nestled in real good too.
Now the building here on the left is full. It has the third set of bathhouses. It has an outdoor laundry area. This is the larger of two laundries. It has a large pool and hot tub. And it also has this common room. There are also separate rooms in this building for a weight room and for billiards. Now we just crossed the main road that we were coming in on there. We're moving over towards the west side of the park. On the other side of the fence, that's a mobile home park that's separate from Winter Garden RV.
We also passed one of 3 dumpsters.
Yeah, they've got dumpsters several places around the park.
And this is all dog run, and they'll have little stations for getting your bags.
Up ahead is the 4th bathhouse, exactly like the second one that we saw, and was just renovated at the same time. And we're going to head back over to the main street of the park. Now, when we came into this park, when you make your reservations, at least through the Thousand Trails site, they do not specify 50 and 30 amp sites, and they do have quite a few 30 amp sites in this park. And so I always call ahead to make sure that they're placing us on a 50 amp site. And I did that as usual, and when we got put in our site, we were put into a 30 amp site. They have a new manager. He's been here the last 2 times I've been here. His name's Abraham. Very accommodating fella. And I gave him a call, and they immediately said, "We're very sorry about that. We're going to move you to an upgraded site and 50 amp. Very sorry for your problems." And actually called me the next day to make sure that everything was fine in our site, that there was no problems. I can't speak highly enough of how the service in this park has changed since he's been at the helm. Now, if you look right straight ahead of us, this is a shopping area just to the west of the park, right across Park Avenue. And there's an Aldi's, there's a Harbor Freight, there's a Dollar General, there's all sorts of goodies in there. There's also an exit over onto Park Avenue. If you make a right out of there, you go towards the downtown area.
And that's an especially good reason to be staying in this park.
Now this is something we hadn't seen before. It's called pétanque. It's a French game. They've got 3 pétanque courts there, in addition to their smaller dog park. That's right beside the pool there in the front, looking over towards Giant Recreation World again. And this is their smaller laundry that's up front. It has 4 washers, 4 dryers, $1.75 a load. The only downside to that is it does use a card that's specific to their park. It's $5 for the card. You get a $3 credit on it, but at $1.75 a load, you got to load it up with another $5 before you can really wash and dry a load. And here we are back, right where we came in.
Look at that sky. What a beautiful day.
So we hope you've enjoyed our tour of the Winter Garden RV Resort as much as we've enjoyed our time over here. If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, be sure to do so. And if you liked the video today, leave us a thumbs up. We really do appreciate it.
And thank you for following us as we follow the moon.
Thanks. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you've enjoyed it. Please be sure to subscribe to our channel and be sure to ring the notification bell so you'll know when we have new videos listed. Also, be sure to check out our blog at followthemoon.us and also our Facebook page at Follow the Moon and on Instagram at Follow the Moon Travel. Thanks.